Hey there, thanks for watching. Mitch Hancock back to talk about deductibles and premium. So you may be like, what the heck does that mean? Well, we're going to go over that. So premium, I don't know if you guys ever saw I think it's a Jimmy Kimmel video out there where they went and asked random people on the street, they were talking about Obamacare, right? And they said, hey, with Obamacare, good news, Obamacare has doubled insurance premiums. And there's these people that were like, yeah, because like the camera crew was like framing it as being something that's awesome. And they didn't really know what that meant. So premium is just a fancy word for your insurance payment. It's what you pay the insurance company, okay? The deductible is the amount of skin that the insurance company requires you to have in the game, so to speak. They say there has to be at least some skin in the game on your part so that we're not just paying out claims every time you have something happen, okay? So this is a little bit different than a deductible on a health insurance policy, because like with health insurance policies, you've got to pay, a certain amount of medical bills out of pocket before your insurance will kick in. With auto insurance, typically the way it works is, let's say you've got a $10,000 claim and you've got a $1,000 deductible here, then the insurance company, when paying for the claim, they're just going to cut you a check for $9,000 rather than you having to send them $1,000. They're just going to give you $1,000 less. So hopefully that makes sense. So let's talk about the relationship of premium and deductibles so that you will never get taken advantage of by either an online insurance company that doesn't really disclose or explain how stuff works, or an agent out there who acts like he's being your best friend. So let's explain the relationship between premium and deductibles. So when deductibles are low, premium is higher. When deductibles are higher, premium is lower. So makes sense, right? The insurance company wants you to have skin in the game. So if you're going to have more skin in the game, then they're going to lower your monthly or your annual payments on that. By the same token, if you want no skin in the game, then they're going to say, well, that's fine, but you're going to pay us more on a monthly or annual basis for your insurance. So this is one thing that kills me, where I see insurance agents, they act like they're being your best friend. They're saying, hey, we're going to be a pal, okay? We're going to do you a favor here, and we're going to give you a $100 deductible. Or better yet, there's companies out there that say, hey, you've got no deductible at all on your insurance. And they say this is just a super low deductible, so you pay your $100 or they're just going to cover you. Here's the problem. By having a super low deductible, what are you likely to do? If you're in the grocery store parking lot and you come back out to your car and somebody has dinged that car, you take it to the body shop and the body shop says, yeah, it's going to be $400 to fix this ding in your door. You're going to say, sweet, I've only got a $100 deductible. Go ahead and do that. The insurance company's going to pay the other $300. Now, on the surface, that may sound like a sweet deal, and there's a lot of insurance agents out there who sell it as a sweet deal. But what's going to happen over time, especially when you file small, frivolous claims, if you've got a lot of them, that's going to raise your auto insurance rates over time. And so in the long run, you're going to end up paying more for your coverage. I've seen where people have filed a small claim and that's increased their premium so much that over the course of 2 to 3 years, they've more than paid for the damages over and over, like 2 to 3 times over. Whereas if they just would have paid for a small claim or something like that out of their pocket, then they would have been in a better situation. And so having a super low deductible, it's not the best thing in the world. You don't want to use your insurance for every single little hiccup that comes along. And so if you've got an agent or an insurance company that's saying, sweet, no deductibles, guess what they're banking on? Is that you are going to file a claim and that your rates are going to do this over time. And that is going to line their pockets. And that agent, because I said, us agents, we get paid for as a percentage of your annual premium. We get paid a set percentage of your annual premium, and that's how we make our money and service your policies and run our offices and stuff like that. So by having low deductible, it's likely you're going to file claims and your rates are going to go up, and that agent's going to get a pay raise. So I'm okay with getting a pay raise, but I want it to be on your terms, not just on mine. I don't want to do this sneaky stuff to where you don't understand what's going on behind the scenes. So guys, hopefully this is helpful, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.